Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS about adding borders to elements. So CSS has many properties on your borders, such as style, color, and width, and it can make it as fancy as you want it to. So for this exercise, you want to create a class called thick green border, and it should have these properties. So we can just do it in the beginning. So dot. And we can just copy this to make sure there's no spelling mistakes. And then inside of this, we can get this as a template and we can change it accordingly. So we want it green instead of red, 10 pixels instead of 5, and it's still solid. So we want to apply this to our cat photo. So we just copy this because this is what we're going to add to the class. And we see the cat photo. So this cat photo already has a class. And what you can do to add multiple classes is just within the parentheses, quotations, just copy it. And there you go. That's how you add multiple. And if you have 3, 5, 20 different classes, that's all you do. Just space and add it. And that's it. Thank you.